friends, welcome back to my channel Harchi Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy knitting stitch pattern. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like sweater, cardigan, jacket, scarf, etc. Friends, from the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is only 4 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 2. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 18 stitches on my needle, 18 multiple of 2. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is, we will knit this stitch not like this. We will knit this stitch from the below, from here. Knit one from below like this and slip this stitch purlwise. After that knit one stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is knit one stitch from here, from below like this. Without dropping this, slip purlwise, then knit the next stitch. Repeat one more time. Knit one stitch from below, from here, and slip it purlwise, knit next stitch. One more repeat. Knit one stitch from here, slip it purlwise, knit next stitch. Knit one from below, then slip one, then knit the next stitch. Knit one stitch from here, slip this stitch, knit next stitch. One more repeat. Knit one stitch from here, slip it and knit the next stitch. In this way we will complete our first row. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the edge stitch. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in back, knit one stitch. Then friends, here is one slip stitch and one stitch, so we will knit these two stitches together through the back loop like this. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Knit one, knit two stitches together through the back loop. So repeat pattern is knit one, knit two stitches together through the back loop. In this way we will complete our second row. Knit one, knit two stitches together through the back loop. Knit one, knit two stitches together through the back loop. Knit one, knit two stitches together through the back loop. Knit one, knit two stitches together through the back loop. In this way we will complete our second row. Last is our edge stitch, so yarn in front, purl the edge stitch. Third row, right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is, in starting we will knit one stitch. After that knit one stitch from below here and slip the stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is knit one, knit one stitch from below, from here, and slip the stitch. One more repeat. Knit one, knit one stitch from here and slip the stitch, and knit one stitch from here and slip it, knit one stitch from below and slip the stitch, knit one stitch from below and slip the stitch. In this way we will complete our third row. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the edge stitch. Fourth row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in bag. Friends, in second row we have a pattern knit one and knit two stitches together through the back loop. So in fourth row here is knit two stitches together through the back loop, then knit one stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is knit two stitches together through the back loop and knit one stitch. One more repeat, knit two stitches together through the back loop, knit one stitch. So in this way we will complete our fourth row. Knit two stitches together through the back loop, knit one stitch, knit two stitches together through the back loop, knit one stitch, knit two stitches together through the back loop and knit one stitch. In this way we will complete our fourth row. Last is our edge stitch, so yarn in front, purl that stitch. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 4 rows for the desired length of the pattern. When we repeat these 4 rows we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.